girl, I'm Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna try something a little different, and it's a really popular trend, especially on TikTok. It's called ethereal makeup or romantic makeup. It's basically super ultra glow, emphasis on the glow skin. And this video is sponsored by Walmart, so everything that I'm using you can actually find at Walmart or on walmart.com. But I also created a list with links in order of appearance down in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. I love that I can get both makeup and skincare all in the same place. It just makes it easier when I want to try new things like this. Even at this age, no one can tell me or you that we can't try these trends, okay? It's for everyone. First up is our K-Beauty Skin Prep. Step 1, cleansing balm. If I had makeup on, I would use a product like this. This is the Dissolve Away Daily Cleansing Balm from a brand called Hero, and you just need a small amount of that product. This is going to help to remove your makeup and hard to take off products like sunscreen. Step 2 is going to be your facial cleanser, and I'm going to be using this one from Fortify. It is a foaming cleanser, which just makes things more fun. This cleans but still feels hydrating, and I love the balance because ethereal makeup only works on super hydrated skin. Next is going to be the toner, and I'm going to be using this one from a brand called Soo'AE? Sorry. I really didn't realize how important toner was until about 2 or 3 years ago. These are going to smooth out any texture that you have on your skin so that your makeup just lays a lot better. And I never do any harsh exfoliating, just something really light and gentle. Step 4 is going to be your serum. This is the Snail Repair Intensive Ampule. Yes, I said snail. If you're new to Korean beauty, snail mucin is it's one of those ingredients that just helps with the aging process. I'm gonna take 1 dropper full on each side. And if you're like me and don't really like the sticky, ooey gooey of the snail mucin, this is definitely not like that. It's very, very lightly sticky, but it absorbs so quickly into the skin. And then gently pat that in. This is where the glow really begins. And last for skincare would have to be this all-in-one snail repair cream. And if I ever make the mistake of adding too much, I just put whatever's left on the back of my hands. Texture wear. I'm gonna give this just a couple of minutes to really absorb, and then we're gonna move on to our makeup. For my foundation, I wanna keep everything really nice and light, glowy. I wanna keep it as natural as possible. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint, and I'm using the shade number 6 Light Cool. It honestly feels like lotion on my skin. And it looks like 1 swipe will be enough for my entire face. And then I go over it with a damp beauty sponge, making sure that everything is nice and blended. As you can see underneath my eyes, I have a lot of bit of redness. This one is their Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Peach. Just a little bit underneath here. But before I blend that out, I wanted to add some of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. You can put this underneath or on top for color. And for me, I just need a little bit of color here. So I'm gonna add some right there, anywhere on the high points of my face that I really want the glow to stand out. I'm gonna go back in with the same beauty sponge and press that in. My eyebrows tend to do whatever they want, so I have to control them using a little bit of this heavy duty brow gel. It goes on kind of white, but it will dry down clear. But it's one of those products that you have to work fast or it's gonna stay wherever you leave them. So I wanna get a little closer so you can see the texture or lack thereof. With all the products I've used so far, I wanna add just a bit of warmth, and I'm gonna be using this huge pot. This is the Bronze Booster Sun Blur from Physicians Formula. The packaging is stunning, and it reminds me so much of something that's very luxurious or high-end. In my opinion, I feel like it does go on very similar to like a balm. The sun won't just hit your cheeks, it's gonna hit the bridge of your nose as well, so always bring that product right over really quickly. Next up, we're gonna be using Milani's Cheek Kiss, and this is in the shade number 110. I love it. Who knew this entire time I was just after ethereal makeup? This is the Hard Candy Glow On Lock Setting Spray, but it doesn't mattify the skin. It's actually adding a little bit of that glowy pigment. I'm gonna make sure that's nice and dry before I move on. This is a jumbo pencil from NYX Cosmetics. This actually brings me back. This is called Coconut Cake, and it's just a shimmery eyeshadow stick. And since my nails are too long, I'm gonna have to use a brush to pat it in, but normally I would just use my fingertip. Every time I put my false lashes on, I feel like they're way too much because I really fell in love with this mascara. It's from L'Oreal Paris. It's called their Paradise Big Deal. The technique I swear by is applying the wand right underneath your lashes and roll to load up that product, and then just distribute it throughout the lashes like this. Don't make the mistake of trying to remove any of the mascara that you accidentally bump yourself with. Just let it dry. It's gonna flick right off. Look how insanely long my bottom lashes look now. This is a lip oil from Milani. It's in the shade Muddled Wine. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was it. This is like a felt tip marker, and you're gonna use it like a stamp. Press onto your eye and drag it down, and you should have the mark there. Center of the eye, go as tight as you can, and connect those two, and then voila. And this is the finished ethereal romantic look. We've got glowing skin, soft eyes, flush cheeks, and a very subtle shimmer. You can totally go crazy and add some chunky glitter here and there. You can even add freckles, girl. But I'm using vitamin C to try to get those off, so I'm not even gonna play with that. And if you've been following my content for some time, you know that I do my own beauty services here at home, so this is a glue on set. Other than absolutely gorgeous, how would you describe these nails? It's called Charmed 3D Embellished Nails from Salon Perfect. Can you see the 3D art on this one? Again, everything I used in today's video, you can find it at Walmart. And another thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. And thank you guys for all of your love and support. And I want to hear from you. So if you have any trends that you'd like me to try, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to get to those as soon as possible. But if you would like to see more content like this, and from me, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you have not already. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.